Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto strawberry cream pie. Let's start off with our ingredients. For the crust, you need 1 cup of Carbquik, a 1/4 cup of some kind of protein powder. I'm using vanilla, 5 tablespoons of butter softened to room temperature, 2.5 tablespoons of boiling water, and then I'm also using a tablespoon of freeze-dried strawberries that I pulsed. That is optional. For our filling, we need 2 cups of strawberries chopped up, some strawberry sugar-free Jello, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and then 1.5 cups of water divided, and then optional, I'm using the 0 sugar Reddi Whip just for topping. Preheat your oven to 350 and just spray a pie pan generously with cooking spray. In a medium bowl, you're going to mix all of your ingredients for your pie crust except for the boiling water, and just knead that in there with your hands until it's all incorporated. Add your boiling water and just mix that together with a spatula until everything is incorporated. After everything is well incorporated, you just can put it into the bottom of your pie pan. I don't think this is thick enough to go up the side, so I didn't even bother trying. But we're going to get this into the oven at 350. We're going to watch it after 10 minutes, but it's probably going to take 15. My crust just came out of the oven and it did only bake for 10 minutes at 350. So like I said, you do want to watch it. When it starts browning right like that on the edges, you know it's done. So now I am going to go ahead and add my strawberries to this. That looks great. So now it's time to get to work on the rest of the filling. Go ahead and boil your 1 cup of water. You want to add the boiling water to the sugar-free Jello and cream cheese, and we just are going to whisk that until everything's well combined. After everything's incorporated, you want to go ahead and add your 1/2 cup of cold water. And I still do have a little bit of chunks. I almost wish I would have just used my NutriBullet and really blended all that together. But I'm going to go ahead and pour it over top of my strawberries. Okay, we're going to cover this and get it in the refrigerator for several hours to overnight. My pie was in the refrigerator overnight, so I just cut me a slice and I'm going to enjoy it with some 0 sugar Reddi Whip. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.